Start streaming. Start streaming. We're live. Let's put on the.
Right, we got the ping.
Yeah. We're gonna start the StreamFIghter. Obama. Obama is very cool.
Yes.
Yeah.
Also,
Yes.
you know what is also cool?
Oh no.
It's so good,
bro,
right?
I don't know what happened. I forgot to update the title and the thumbnail in the live, so also the live is private on YouTube. I was like, I can just press the live button and
this
it
is a
should...
professional.
Yes, maybe
He's only
Damon.
done this like for half a year.
Maybe Damon.
What did I do?
We should do the thing that you told me, that I just press a button and it would just update it.
Yeah, Damon.
Yeah, that sounds real nice.
Yeah, get to work.
Nice.
Get to work, man.
No, he's streaming now. No,
Yeah.
he's doing whatever he's doing.
Yeah, we don't do work while we're live, alright? That's how it works.
Oh, I see how it is.
Not. Right, I had the issue.
Because
yes.
You are a nut.
Did I not? I am still not on public. Yeah. I swear to God, it never saves. Knowledge.
But I poop from there.
Alright. Welcome back, everybody. Let's see, we can take the volume down slightly like so. And we should have also
2 hours later.
The StreamFIghter should be active. Let's see, as... There it is. Obama. What did I press? I pressed something, I don't know. CD project. I had yesterday some weird memory handle address. I don't understand what's going on, how it's a problem. It's so crazy. Crazy. Yeah, but the video is coming soon, right? And I think so.
Also, Lucas, before we continue, can I say this is ChatGPT with your conversation?
I'm kind of retarded.
Actually, it's fucking awful.
Yeah.
I cannot. And well,
how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
yeah,
When you're not really fine. You just can't get into it.
I'm not fine with the AIs are fucking awful.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. When you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
I'm kind of retarded.
Okay, but look, soup. Like, it's so fucking
when
dumb.
You know bro doesn't actually code Sig.
Like, this is so dumb. I don't understand. Like, how can these... Maybe I shouldn't print the addresses because they're actually handles.
70 episodes in, and we have what? A triangle and a colorful grid.
But
amazing.
It's hot reloading and it's dynamic, alright? You don't understand.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Really?
Look. I'm gonna show you. This is so crazy because in the init swap chain, it's disgusting why this doesn't work. I don't understand. We could actually do this and do it for each frame. Just do for each one. I will actually print the value because it's a handle. I think that should be fine. So just doing digit. I think that should be fine.
Guys, hear me out. So in like 6-7 days, Christmas will be, you know. So I think, Lucas, you should do a 48-hour live stream, right?
48-hour, bro.
Yeah, what could go wrong?
Everything.
Yeah, entirety of Christmas, the 24th and the 25th.
Okay, what the fuck? I can't actually do that. Oh, swap chains 49. Wait, what? How did that happen?
Damn, bro. What? You have a GPU scene? Where's your CPU scene though?
We don't have those things.
Oh, well, I see, I see. Bro only likes the GPU.
Vulkan buffer, but this should be valid because the VK buffer is just a handle. Oh, wait. Yes. No, wait. Oh, it's not the buffer yet. I have to say buffer. That's awesome. So that buffer once again? Wait, what the fuck? That doesn't make sense at all. No, that should be alright. Because it goes in here, GPU see that, and it is this thing. So then I say buffer, and this is it's a pointer. It should be a handle. No, I need the address. I thought I could skip it, but I can't. Okay. Never mind, forget what I was writing. But at least we can see more accurate. There was another thing I changed, so it's fine. It's fine. Wait, how did this work? Was it like this? No, like that? No. How did this work? Okay, there. So we'll take the address of this one, change it to the address here, and then go to definition. And what will we do here? We'll go here, change this one to pointer as well. And this one should be the buffer. It's buffer one, no, not that. I think. Do I ask for the buffer? Yes, I ask for the buffer. Is there an easy way to just jump to the thing that you want? There has to be. But now I ask for the buffer in all of these places, so now it should be fine. I forgot something. Unable to resolve comp time values swap chain. Right, I want to keep the address of the thing. I hope I have the address in other places. There. So this is so dumb. I don't understand. How is this even possible? It goes in here. It's in the init. Oh, don't worry about these ones. In the init, it gets these pointer addresses, right? And they are not being called in here. That's fine. And then it goes on into where's the drop pointer should be called before the D in it though, but that's fine. 3F like I don't understand. 3F8. That one should be over here, but it's not. I don't know where it's going. It's so dumb. I don't understand because it's like it cannot be another memory address because then the whole swap chain should be fucked. But it's not, so I'm so confused. Why? Doesn't make any sense. 3F8. And then it de-initializes the 8.7. I don't. Where is that D in it coming from? That shouldn't be. It's de-initializing something completely different from what it's telling it that it's de-initializing. Like, these are like. I don't understand. They're like they are not compatible at all. Like the values that I should have are not the values that I got. Current frame. Because it just gets the frame, stores it. Or does it copy it? Should I actually just should I take the pointer? Like, should I just do that? Can that be it? That's okay. I didn't think that's true. Okay, then it makes sense. No fucking way. Wait. Initialize this, but they are still wrong. Unless they are not. No. That must have been a coincidence that worked now. Because they are not connected still. They are, wait, no, 2E68, 2, no, they are not connected still. So it was a coincidence that they run, right? If I run it again, I think it will be broken. No? I'm confused. I'm so confused. What? Those errors are irrelevant right now. I don't need to focus on them. But I don't understand because it initializes this pointer. Right? And then somehow it's using something completely different here, but it's valid somehow. That's illogical. Okay, maybe it's something else that is similar to this. I didn't think about this, but I don't understand either why this would be an issue, because this shouldn't be. But apparently it is. It's fine. It's fine, but it's annoying. Oh. But this is already a pointer, so that's...
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into
That's
it.
why I have some issues, right? Let's see. So it says 48. No, that's not it. I don't understand at all. But that means then maybe I'm doing it wrong then at the... I don't probably understand the SIG syntax then. That's the only other logical conclusion.
You need help?
Yeah, I think I do. Wait, let me just quickly see.
What did you help with?
So that means I should actually do ampersand here as well, for it to be correct. Let's see if I need help. So 8628. They are still not right, but it works. I must be printing a pointer wrong. Draw pointer and init pointer.
I don't know how you do that.
I'm like pissed. It works, but I hate that it works because for me, how I do it is doesn't seem it shouldn't work. Why? Because, and also one thing that is quite fun. I don't know why, but Harold, look at this. Wait, in the draw. I want to be in the draw. Okay. So apparently, here. I didn't have the ampersand here. So I just took... This is a static array of frames. And when I took it straight in
you
here...
copied it.
Yeah, but I don't know... Because these are just handles, so if I call D in it on a handle, it should still work with the Vulkan API. But now I took the reference of it instead, and then it was fine, which I still find fucking dumb, because it shouldn't be an issue, but apparently it was.
That's crazy.
Okay, but now the issue is just I'm trying to print the pointers of these buffers. Yeah, the GPU scene data basically, and then I call D in it after I have printed it, right? And what I'm wondering now is that I somehow I do call on the init, I call and I print the pointers like this. I got the frame, I take the ampersand of the, so I get the pointer of the buffer. I don't know, it's already a pointer, this thing, but I think, do I have to? I think I have to do this 1D reference, it's already, so I have to like take the address of it, right? And then after I do that, I go through each of every one of these. Oh wait, but these ones I should not be concerned with, right? Because these ones are invalid. Ahaha, no. Because that was old. I'm mixing up
like
old code.
Lucas the Lion does not concern himself with this.
So yeah, init is the only thing I'm concerned with. But still they are wrong. What? But it works, and it's so dumb. It's so fucking pathetic. I cannot understand this. Why? If I, in the init say here, or is it because of the ampersand? Should there not be an ampersand in front of these buffers? When I already have it as a pointer. But I'll do an ampersand in here either way, so it's... And it's a pointer here as well, so it's the same thing. But yet they are different. That's so pathetic. Hello?
Yes.
Like, I don't understand. How can these pointers be different? I know I call a Dean is here to recreate the whole GPU frame. Or like the data for that on the GPU for that frame. But I would still print the pointer before doing it. So it should be the same pointer before it calls the deinitialization on it. But for some reason it's not. Oh, wait. Is it the same thing all over again? It's just because when I give the swap chain here, it's copying the data. So I should have a swap chain point? No, I should call the init of swap chain in here. Oh, no. That's why. Oh. Oh, God, no. Wait, it cannot be. No, because... Can it? Okay, I'm getting a little bit better understanding at least of how this structure return now starting to work. Damn it. Ah, okay. I thought it would just be nice, but apparently it's not. Oh, that's good tea. Damn. Fuck. Okay. We can make this work somehow. But that swap chain should still be valid. Even if I create them in here. What if I change it? We take this out again. We don't do it in here. We change this one to be a const. And then we go to the init. The init goes in here. It calls this init, this init. Right. We go in here. We will have to take... I don't think I can do that. I just have to do this now. We'll yank that. And then in here, what will we do? We'll go in here, change this one to be like so. Wow, something went beautiful. What the fuck? Oh, for fuck's sake. I don't know my key bindings. Okay. And then this will be a comma. Huh? Ooh. Okay. So now we will initialize it inside of this thing. As we did before. And then we can remove that. Okay. And we can still do this. This is fine then. Whoa. But we'll not initialize it. Here we will just print out this. And then we'll compare it. Why is this use of unclear identifying material? That shouldn't be How did that happen? I will write back. I'm back. Woo.
Welcome.
Okay.
Ah. My eyes, my ears, I mean.
Yes, your
Wow,
ears.
why are you guys so loud?
Welcome. Welcome.
Why are you guys so loud all of a sudden?
I think we're loud. Are we loud? Huh? What?
How are you guys loud? I think you guys are
Welcome.
way louder than you used to be.
We are not very loud. I don't think. Are we loud, man? I don't think we're loud like at all. I don't know about you though. Lucas, you're not too loud.
Okay.
What is my mic okay?
No, I think it's horrible. I think you're under
Is
the
it
water.
alright?
No.
Is it good?
No.
Well, it's because I'm shoving my face into it, basically.
Ah. Look at material buffer. So wait, I did actually put the wrong thing in here. Wait, structure data, material resource. That should be the material buffer. Ah, but it wants the actual buffer. I don't know how I actually got rid of that by accident. Same issue still. But let's see, pointers are still fucking incorrect. Oh, bruh. Why? Why are they still incorrect? And why is the DNIT happening before the draw? I mean, let's quickly just do... It's the same DNIT, right? Let's see. Okay, it's some other DNIT that's happening before it. So this DNIT... Ah! It's not... Yeah, okay, that's why. Let's see. It's... For some reason... B0... Yeah, no. We got the complete wrong pointers. That means that somehow the handles that get created over here are invalid when they get to the, like, somehow they get destroyed. Well, but at least it's persistent after that. Like, then it after this initial fuck up. Not really. It's not persistent. It says draw this pointer, and then it's supposed to deinitialize the same pointer, but somehow it's a total different pointer or handle, and it seems to be fine. It's not even complaining about it, which is even more horrendous. Oh my god, what's going on in here? How is that possible? It's such a simple thing. It's only on a simple array of structures, and it breaks. Or I don't think it's even. It's like it's literally frame data. Everything else in this frame data is completely valid, except for this damn thing. I cannot understand why. Why would that be the case? I can do the growable, it's fine. I can do this one. I can do all of this. But as soon as I try to do this, then it's not fine anymore. Then we cry and bitch about it. Like, why the fuck is that a problem? Like, I cannot comprehend. Not at all. That should be completely valid. That's all of the other ones. There shouldn't be a difference. I cannot understand. It's so weird. What if that's invalid? Then everything else should also be invalid. Like, it's so dumb. Unless if they aren't pointers. They're actual just fucking structures. Why would it do this? And then it's tracking object, PK device, pointer. But no, these things are not persistent either. FDC 30, B80, 88, A60. But it is persisting in being the wrong pointer. What? If I find another 308, it's the 7, yeah. It's persistent in that sense that it's the wrong pointer. That is being... How? No, wait, it's always the same. The D in it is always deinitializing the same pointer. What am I passing into this thing? No, I do take the current frame and call deinitialize it. Wait a minute, but the buffer is already a pointer. Why would I do the pointer if the pointer? Oof. Ah, okay, now we're starting to get somewhere, I think. Okay, this is starting to look a little bit better. Good. Maybe I'm doing this wrong then, because this shouldn't look like this is how it should look like. Okay. So let's do that. I don't know, it might complain. No, it went fine. Okay. Okay. No. This is right. Okay, it's doing the right thing. Okay, I just have print out the pointer of the pointer. It's okay. But then that should be fine too. I think and it is fine. Okay, good. So it allocates the 0, 14, yeah, and 18. Okay. It's fine, I have just been printing out the pointer of a pointer. Okay. It's kind of hard to see that it was a pointer, okay? I should have known. And then, in the swap chain, I think I know how to fix the last thing. We call dinit here. No, I do call dinit on that thing. So why do we still... Okay, what memory address is that? It's... VK memory is 10. That's not from here, that sucks. Okay. Can I find out somehow with... Oopsie daisy. We don't want to be there, we want to be here, yes. when you call initialize here, oh, nice, can't figure it out. So before we do that, we will yank this, paste it here, and we'll call init buffer ppr, and here we'll just pass in new buffer, and that one should already be a pointer as well. Yeah, good. So let's see, where are these things coming from? I'm trying to find any buffer that has, what number am I trying to find? The 10. 10, 10, 10. But these are not guaranteed to be the same. This is actually, forget that these are, yeah. So where are these coming from? VK device memory, but they can only come from an image or a buffer. But an image should be a buffer. Wait, hold on. Image. Okay, it also has its own. So then it's probably some image. Well, actually, I'm trying to find the VMA allocation, I think, because that's... But I cannot be direct about it on that thing. It's... I think it's still some image that is wrong. If I just... We can remove these ones, I'm confident. Oh, shit. The depth image and the raw image are both being destroyed, right? Depth, draw, black, gray, white, error. I don't really have any other images. And buffers, I have checked all of them are being freed. Layouts shouldn't have anything to do with it. Same with descriptor sets. I'm destroying the gray one, right? Default, these ones shouldn't be problematic at all. This is just a structure. All of these should be fine. None of them, unless if there's one that I create. Oh, wait. No. Yes, we're fine. Unless if I create some temporary image somewhere, which I'm not aware of right now, by just blindly following the tutorial, that could also be. Upload. But in the deinit we should destroy. Yeah, we destroy everything. And then I should have issues from before. That wasn't the case. So I'm very confused where this could come from. Okay, I'm gonna try one thing. And see if I'm still gonna remove a lot, so we're just gonna instantly kill the process. Yep. Okay, so they're still persistent. So what we can try to do now is if we go to the renderer. Whoa, okay, I did not know about. There should be an easier. Okay, here. What happens if I just, before even caring about something like this, I will just, if true, return This is not how it's supposed to be done, but we're just gonna... Okay. And if I just do it immediately, then we shouldn't even draw once. It should just... Okay, so all of these are happening inside of the init. Good to know. So it's nothing to do in the renderer. It's actually to do in the initialization of the whole damn freaking shitty thingy. Very nice. So that means we can just go in here. And I will change a few things. But I cannot... All of those things are being deinitialized. I cannot... We can actually try this. Why not? It's quite simple to see it. We can just go here. We can do a... What's it called? Window split. And then how did I window... So, alright. And then we can take this one up to the top. And here we can see, I should probably put them in order, but it's okay. The swap chain get deinitialized first, and that should take care of all of the shitty shits. All of the pipelines. The draw image, depth image, a black, gray, the white, error, destroy the samplers, GPU scene. Oh wow, I can do this also. And even each mesh is being destroyed. Device, surface. Wait, let's see, this is probably easier. Default data, but that's again, it's just a structure. It cannot even contain any. Maybe I'm wrong. Default data. Well, I'm just gonna self.default data.pipeline.init device self.device. Find it kind of weird that it would be done like that. Oh wow. Let's see. Layout pipeline must be valid pipeline. Yes, I'll call the init on it somewhere else. This should not happen main. Yeah. Yes. So I do call the init on somewhere else. This is a bad design, but good to know. Oh yeah, because it was supposed to have pointer references to the same fucking thing. That's why I find this whole process disgusting. Rough material, it's calling the init. Material buffer is calling the init, and these things do deinitialize everything, right? Oh, that's why we have that, because these... Fucking Christ. And the writer is literally cannot deinitialize... Well, it needs to call destroy. Or... Because it has... Clear. Hell do I know. Maybe I'm trying to think too hard on this. I shouldn't be too worried. Let's just it's a small oopsie. Let's go with that. We will either way we'll get rid of all of those things later on. It's just throwaway code anyways. So we won't care. That's what I'm trying to say. But I think it runs pretty darn good besides the little inconvenience there. But we'll go with that for a while. And we were thrown away anyways and redesigned. So I'm not gonna be too. Those things I were kind of furiated because I need them in order to actually draw. I was supposed to be able to draw a mesh now with that. Why is it not being drawn? should come in here. I can remove that, that's safe now. It should de-initialize this one. And then it will move down to do whatever it does. And then it will initialize a new one down here, which is so fucking dumb order, but it's happening like this now. And then it just uses that, creates a new, appends the buffer. And then in here, this I don't understand. Why are we just passing node 0? Oh yeah, no, I know why. And then it should take care of all of this. Do that and multiply by one, and then it should take all of this, and it should draw index. Let me just cd debug print cib. What isn't it cib? It is. I don't know if that was there. V probably. Indices. I don't know if that's the right thing to say, but we'll see. Node mesh. This is count. And we'll see E. And we'll just new line it. Oh wow, what the hell? Alright. Let's see. It should print out some indices. It says 6, so it's trying to... No, 36. So it's trying to render the cube, but it's not being rendered. Okay, good. That we can work it. It's probably some matrix multiplications. And let's take a screenshot from here. Don't know still how I close this damn application. I make it crash, that's how we close it. Let's see, we should see draw index here. And should be able to see... What am I trying to see? Well, the color texture is completely fucked to begin with. Wait, no, I put white texture. It's completely correct. I'm just stupid. Mesh viewer here. Let's see, what is the... That's just... positions. Oh, they're all 0. Well, that's not good. The normal's got some funky values. The outcolor's got even some worse values. And the UV is even worse. So that means just that the data that I'm presenting to this thing is fucked. The structure is an external struct, right? Let's see what happens here. Push constant here, push constant. That should be okay if it is this, which it is. Am I just stupid? Oh! But I shouldn't... Perhaps that is actually... No, wait. That could be actually. Yeah, I don't have the same... Ah, yeah. Like that, we're gonna go here. I think that's it. Let's see. I want to see the... I want to get to the damn vertex tract. Take me to vertex. This... Can you just... Where the... I hate it so much. Oh god. Oh god. Yeah, I'm not gonna find it like this. We're just gonna have to pray a little bit. This is too far. Yep, we want to be here. I want to see the. They probably changed the vertex structure somewhere. Vertex mesh shader. Here, this is what I'm looking for. So position vec 3. Okay, I have a. So we'll just change it to vec 3. Have to do the same if I want to follow along. Then we do a UV. We have to change. Hopefully not too much.
You gotta change it all.
Nah, not all, but probably a lot. Should probably give default values in case. Because I don't take in everything, so. And then a vec3 for normal. Put it there. And then we can take that one, put it there. Wow. Why? Oh shit. And then there's a color vec4. Color vec4. And all of these will just have default values. It will complain somewhere, definitely. Yes, perfect. Switch these two. Wait, how the fuck did I do that? Like this, not like that. I don't remember. Like that, easy peasy first try. Alright. We'll take this one to here, this one we'll do C, run. Let's see, it complains about, yes, so renderer. We can close that as well. Just care about this one. And we care about 840. Yes, oh shit. Oh, damn it. Okay, bam. Can actually do that, and then we can go insert that, and bam. We don't need to do that anymore. Crazy, right? And we probably have some other issues with the UVs. Let's see, UV, yep. These ones are no longer. Oh shit. It's okay, it's fine. UV x is equal to UV underscore x? What the fuck? And I will paste it there, we'll remove that. What the heck? Paste it, delete it. I don't know, bro. Crazy stuff. Oh shit, what the fuck happened? Ah, anyways, UVY, UVY. Okay, that actually ran. Okay, great. But now this should be okay data. Don't care about that. Don't say this. Take a snapshot. Rescaling should crash. Perfect. 36. Mesh viewer. Nah, the data is still freaking horrible. Okay. Then the other thing is, what could it possibly be besides that? Then you just load this and then you initialize the vertices with that data. Then that data goes. I don't think that's good anymore to an issue, because then we're literally just going in here. We're telling it that, hey, these nodes consists of shit that we care about to use that has been initialized with correct information, and you should be able to use them accordingly, unless the shaders are fucked. Now that could be another possibility. Let's just see, vertex shader here. Vertex, yeah, they have V position. Let's not. How about we do this? We just comment that out. Yo, what's up, D-Chef? And then we say just GL underscore position is equal to V.
It's the chef.
Yeah, it's the chef.
With the T.
What the fuck was that? Ah, see, I already taken out the position. We can just say position.
What was that?
That ding. So now, this damn position.
Taco Bell.
Wait a minute. Have I done the layouts fucked as well? No, wait. Position. Wait, how did I? Oh no, what am I doing? Uh-oh, this is how it's supposed to be, but I'm trying to figure out, wait, how did I? Ah, wait, it was like this. Aha! Figure it out. Okay, great. This one can go back into here. No, not in there. We go into there. Haha! So do take the position, which should be a... Vec 3, yes. Then we take the UVX, the normal, which should also be Vec 3, the float, the UVY, and then the color Vec 4. Yeah, all of this should be fine. So we should be able to... Now I should... Ah! There's a black thing! That's crazy. And we take a snapshot, we rescale it so it crashes. It should crash. Crash, please. Why won't you crash? Thank you. Okay, and then we go into the mesh viewer. Well, the geo positions are still very wrong, but they are not... Wait, hold on. That's actually... They got the ones right for that the W coordinate, which is quite interesting. That some values... my thing froze for some reason. Damn. Oh, crazy. I'm gonna get some more tea. Now, these values are actually not that... Like, they are close to 0, so they're actually valid coordinates. It's not too bad for a cube. 0.575 is a bit questionable though. But I can understand these rounding errors kind of for these ones. This 75 and 6, those I do not really understand. Let's see. Objects, cube, because they are... Okay, I'm just super stupid. No, wait. The only thing that should be... These are the only values that should be able to take. All of those are 0.5, so... But we are apparently having values from here. From the vertex... What could be going wrong then? Am I parsing the cube wrong? This is crazy. I think we need to switch out that tiny OBJ loader. It's a bad influence on this application. What could be the issue for this then? Because some of the data is very good. Like this is accurate. Then this one is fucked. Fucked, accurate. Fucked, accurate. I think it's a common pattern, wait. Because it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 6 is okay. So there's 4 in between and then a fucked. 4 fucked and then 1 okay. 4 fucked and then 1 okay. 4 fucked and then 1 okay. 4. No, that one is actually. Nah, it's also fucked. I got that one right. Nope. Okay. But it cannot be. Because it is a extern, so that one should be fine. I shouldn't have any issues with the transferring of the data to. I shouldn't have to do. Or do I have to do? Oh wait, I might have to do that. And then it won't compile because it doesn't like unable to export type. Fuck.
Waka waka.
Guacamole.
All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in today. We
It's
got a
not
lot done today. Time to wrap things up.
Not yet. We end when I'm kind of satisfied with the state.
My name is Lucas. I do Lucas things with my fellow Lucas friends.
Yes, that's. I'm just going to test this out. We're going to remove.
My name is Lucas. I do Lucas things with my fellow Lucas friends.
My name is Lucas. I do Lucas things with my fellow Lucas friends.
Damn. It's on sale for $2.33.
233. Fuck. Oh, what the fuck is going on? Okay. Fix that there. This has to be a vec4. Let's just see if this compiles this thing, because then I know that I could use that. Unable to export type. Expected you to refund type. Okay, it's fine. Then we'll try this. Why did that happen?
Hungry.
Why are you hungry?
Very hungry.
Maybe you should eat food then if you're hungry, my man. Okay, let's see if this allows to be exported. Unable to export type. Wait, am I stupid?
You telling me how to live my life?
Yes.
That's exactly what it's telling you.
Intern.
Are you telling me how to do my
Turn
code?
in.
Inter.
Outturn.
Turn. Int turn. It's the turn. It's the turn.
It's the
of
turn to int. It's intern.
Reject society. Return to int.
Return to inting. Yo, that's my friend every time I play games.
Huh? Is he an integer?
No, he's an inter. It was actually yesterday. I watched.
He's an intern.
I watched a friend play Risk of Rain, and we were talking which boss is the hardest to fight, and then I just slapped out the actually.
The second one.
No, the hardest boss to fight is to play with your friend who just keeps on trolling.
And then he said me.
Yes, because symbol function. I think I have some weird alignment going on with my thing again.
You are alignment.
Mm. Like it's slightly better, but still something. I don't know, assigning some value completely wrong, but some I don't know. So
You need
room
Lucas.
export the compiler, but they didn't magically fix the real problem. Your league, the vertex layout almost definitely doesn't match the Vulkan. Your shader. Oh, could it be? Big suspect is something like yeah. Then your trouble 16. Actual copy is 16, not 12, but Vulkan input is 32 float, attribute with format, VK format 32. What? What?
What?
16 was
Porque?
parrot 16, Vulkan expects 12 bytes right for the... Okay, but that shouldn't steal.
Porque?
Okay.
Korva.
You mean Kurva?
Yeah, what he said.
Yeah, somebody.
Okay, I will just try this. Fuck. Position does not support. Damn it, I cannot do that. I would like to do that. I can't do that. Okay, we can try another thing. When I initialize all of the material stuff and build the damn pipelines. Here, build pipelines. Here's what we do. Uniform buffer type. And this is the layout. Great. But where do I don't remember bindings. Where do you take in the bindings? Wait, have I just completely missed something?
Ah!
Binding format offset. Oh, I never told them the offset.
Did you
Well,
say huh?
Yes, I said yeehaw.
Yeah, yeet?
Yay? Yay?
Yeah, 6'7", 6'7".
So my shut your bitch ass up. But that shouldn't still be. Wait, this is still not. Huh.
This looks cool. Player select.
There. That. Here, add binding. No, just say build.
Welcome, welcome.
Do they have-
Yo,
It's a
Welcome.
t-shirt. Yo, what's
It's
up?
the guy and the chef. You know what? You know, well, you already know, but we are free from the
Yeah, we are
shackles
free.
of trash.
bro, you don't
Yeah.
know. You know how yesterday I said I need to go for my training because it was like my friends hosted a challenge, challenge which was
Right.
like doing 200 Navy SEAL burpees in under
Damn.
500 Navy SEAL burpees in under 2 hours, and I
Mhm,
completely
damn.
underestimated it. It was so hard, so hard, and like in 2 hours I didn't even do one break. Like one Navy SEAL burpee involves doing 3 push-ups, 2 vertical jumps, and 2 one rock climber. Yeah,
Oh hell nah, bro.
it's like
What
like
the
yeah, it's a
fuck?
little bit weird, but basically
This is the
to achieve 500 Navy SEAL burpees, you need to do straight for 2 hours straight, every 4.8 seconds, one push-up, and then you need to add also the 2 vertical jumps and rock climbers to it. I finished with 265, and
Oh,
damn,
2 more and it would have been so good.
Like
2 more.
damn.
Bro,
I
just 2
couldn't even
more.
put my jacket on after that. I have the
Why
strongest
not?
muscle tears that I ever had. Like on a, I don't know how you say it
Tears.
in English, but yeah, tears. Yeah.
No,
Like
tears.
right
His
now,
muscles were
it's one day
crying.
after that. Yeah. I can't even lift my arms up to my shoulder level. Like it's insane.
Yo,
I just
Harold.
cooked. Uh-huh. It's cooked.
Where the winds meet is free.
How?
Lucas, are you also free?
Okay.
What do you mean free?
Is it the next game we're playing? It's free.
Vacation.
Let's see.
Oh yeah,
Not
I do
like-
have vacation right now.
Like was this the last day for you as well?
No, it was like 2 days ago or something like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But tomorrow I'm leaving this planet. I'm leaving to visit family, and then
That's dark.
and then I will be back. But
No one then.
what?
No one then.
Yes, I'm redeeming the card.
Yeah, then when I saw the graphics and I already know, I can already feel the lag. I can already feel the lag. But I can already feel the lag, bro. I'm gonna have like 2 fists.
The free open world MMO. I don't know what you're talking about.
Must be
And
like
Lucas, I
spyware.
see you having problem with vertex data.
Yeah,
So-
I don't have missed to set up the layouts, or the alignment is fucked, and I'm trying to figure out which, if it's not even a third option that I'm not thinking about. But I think it's the
But wait,
layout.
this vertex struct, why are you even, like, where are you using it, or like, what are you doing with
Yeah,
it?
let's make a little mini game, but we'll call it Crypto Miner.
Crypto. That mines
That's a great
cryptocurrency.
idea.
This is right now. This is just the shader. It's nothing too complicated, right? It's just basic data, and not even all of it is being used.
So you have a struct.
It uses some of these like things to just like there's a you can apparently include like headers for these things, which is crazy.
Wonka wonka.
Wonka wonka.
What? In headers for these ones?
Yeah.
Those? Yeah.
And now I'm trying to just
You know, just write your shaders in Sig. Write Sig shaders.
I
bro.
don't know, man. That doesn't look too good, to be honest. The Sig is not there yet.
But wait, how you? Okay, I see. You just define the vertex
Yeah,
struct
but-
there, so, and then you get it through the layout.
But I think like my problem is just the. I don't know what my problem could
Why are
be.
you even doing it like with UVX and UVY and not do it like 2?
Because then this is just for alignment. This is 3, you know, and then this is 4, and then so it packets
and then
4,
3,
4,
4.
4.
Okay, yeah, I see. Also, the
6,
alignment
7.
should work.
What?
But bro, just write the shaders in Sig.
No. I saw who was it, Cheesecake or who did it, and
Both
it's
6 and
like
7?
it looks nice, but it also like it's not yet there. Like
I know
GLSL
it's not
is.
there, but like, and the entirety of Sig is not there, and still you're using it. So I mean,
Uh,
you know,
I think I will still go with these for a while.
I'll shoot you later then.
All right, sounds good.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the alignment should work.
Yeah, the alignment I think, and I also have an external struct, so I think it should be fine, unless. No, it should be fine, but somehow it's not, and it's pretty persistent. Like you can see, like the first one, this one is correct. It should only have.
Yeah, I saw it in the stream, and then like next 3 are not
Yeah.
correct, and then the next.
Yeah,
is
then it's
correct,
fucked.
so-
Then it's no, then it's correct here. Then it's fucked and correct, and it's persistent. So either it's how I load in the data, which is fucked, or it's the actual. I don't know. Maybe I should check that the data that I load in is actually correct before I check anything else. Or did I? Whatever. So here, I can see when I load. I do this and then I try to append it into this thing. This should all be pretty much fine. Let's see here. I create struct here. So then I can just do std debug print. And I can say add a new vertex. And then we can just say like this, any, I will print out the whole structure, it's not too big. And we'll just do this, and then we can say vertex, and we can do that. And then we should be able to just run this and see that the data looks good. Fuck me. Maybe I shouldn't main.
Maybe it's time to wrap things up. What?
No. I just need to get to a point where I'm like happy. Alright? Okay. So here we can see, okay, at least all of the data is correct, because you can see here that it's loading in valid information for all of these positions. The positions are valid. So we should be pretty happy with that, but we're not. Don't worry about these things. I know these are leaks on the graphics card, but they are fine. Because
Bro has 64 gigs of RAM there.
not on the graphics card.
Yeah, that happens
It's-
when you have like this much RAM. Yeah.
Exactly. This adds onto the graphics card. I mean, in my case, that is actually the case, you know. But Lucas, we know it has a garbage collector.
But,
But
and,
wait,
and
now Lucas, then like the only two things it can fail is the layout and the alignment, right?
yes.
Like, these are the two main parts.
And I'm trying, because I think I actually skipped over the layout in the beginning, because I was like, I don't need more than the position, because I was thinking I would do very bare bones, but then now later on I was like, actually I'm gonna do more. And now I'm like, fuck, and I'm trying to figure out like, because I haven't done exact one-to-one to the tutorial, because I'm like, as you know, I don't like the object-oriented approach. So now I'm like, okay, where the fuck have they done it? So I can like see how have I done this shit. Yeah.
That's fabulous.
But let's just go. Where do you do the layouts right now?
That's the. I know where I do it for the new version of this approach, but I don't know where I do it for the old one. It's here, but this is just for this one specific. Oh wait, it has to be up here. When we initialize all of these things here.
Lucas is cooking.
So init compute, we are not interested. Init graphics here we have another init graphics, and I now need to know which of these graphics. But I'm not using either one of these graphics, so I shouldn't. This shouldn't matter, right? Yeah, this shouldn't matter because it shouldn't be using any of these pipelines. It should be using. Wait, no, it's gonna be using this one. Yeah. We shouldn't be using these. These are the old. I could actually remove them. The number 3 and 2. We should only be using this one. So now the question is, am I? And the second question is, I do pass the size here for the whole thing, but I don't pass it as GPU draw push constant. Wait, but this is the wrong thing. This is for this. This is not for actually telling it how to do that.
Yeah, no, this isn't.
Oh, wait, but this one should be. Ah, this is so weird because they're using some modern feature which I do not understand. Oh, okay, wait, think. Because this is how I did it before, right? It was just simple VP push constant. This has been working before. Completely valid. Nothing. I don't understand how this has been. It just have been working before. I haven't been needing to do anything else. This has just worked out of the box. I was like, great, and I didn't concern myself more with it.
Damn, I'm gonna go find some food.
Do that.
Alright.
Okay. But wait, Harold, you just streamed. Do you have updates on the window library?
Yeah, I was. I'm just like making monitor support right now,
Oh,
kinda.
damn. That is a hard one.
I mean, it's actually not too hard. It's just extremely disgusting. Because you
that's
might
also-
think like when you want a window that you maybe tell Windows like, hey, I want it to be on this monitor. No, you tell it that you want to be at the position of the monitor because everything is just in like a global space or something. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. And on Wayland, it's just a lot of setup as usual, but it works well, I guess. And on X11, it's kinda just trash and awful, but at least it doesn't use UTF-16. That's kinda like how this works. Like Wayland, it's a lot of setup, but it works really well when you got it working. X11 is like always half broken, and Windows is just weird.
That makes sense.
Damn.
Yeah, also you can't even set the position of the Wayland window, so the monitor thingy is like completely useless there because you can't tell it to use a specific monitor. I'm pretty sure, at least from what I know. You know, it's all in the name of security, right? Yeah.
I like security.
Sure.
You like security? Yeah, well then you don't like having any features, you know. The most secure app is an app that does absolutely nothing. That's kind of how Wayland works, you know. It's like you want to set the position of the mouse cursor? No, I don't think so.
Not without administration permission, you do.
No. It's just impossible. Yeah, well you can do it, but you have to. It's a workaround, I think. Yeah, and you can set the position of a window, and yeah. If it wasn't for Wayland like API being pretty shit, like because it's C-style and it's just like a shit ton of callbacks, you know, if that wasn't the case, it would actually be like alright.
Okay, I mean I could try this. this? Comp log. I haven't even heard of this before. Add compile log. Please. That should be it. What's the issue then with that? Ah, it worked. Oh. Oh no. Oh, God no. So that means that, oh no. I cannot use
what's
num_c
wrong?
inside of the vertex structure. It fucks up the alignment.
Yeah, it's because it's in D, bro. That's, you know,
It's D? What did you say?
it's sim D,
Sim D.
you know,
Hmm.
like multiple. It's like
Single operation, multiple data.
Yes, single
Yeah.
instruction
instruction.
data. Multiple instruction data.
Yeah, exactly.
But
And it uses like funky alignment and stuff.
can I create a similar but which is not SimD with that, which I can still initialize in the same kind of way, which I could use for this, or do I just have to do a normal array, which is kind of like disgusting? I would still like to use the same approach that I use for these things because it's convenient. But
No, you do the arrays, I guess. I mean, you can just convert them when you send them over or whatever.
no, but the house, yeah, no, because I need to store the extern as the arrays.
Yeah, I see. I don't even know how you managed to get SimD into an extern.
Yeah, that's also what I'm finding kind of strange right now. Like, how the fuck does this even work?
Didn't we have this problem in Wallenstein?
I
Yeah.
think we did, but how did we just actually make it raw? I don't
Yeah,
Did we?
I think
That's
so.
crazy. That's crazy if that's how we did it. I kinda
Good
refuse
luck
to.
finding it.
Hey, don't worry, bro. It's easy. It's right in here in the engine. In the renderer, right?
Yeah.
And then here, or maybe it's in context. Fuck, do I know?
Down.
Push constants here. Oh, we actually did just make it raw arrays. Okay. I mean, it's not too crazy. It's
Yo,
just
guys, my last commit had 67 insertions.
Damn. But when is the 67 commit coming?
I don't know, I'll see.
Yesterday, a friend of mine got his English exam back and he had 67 out of 100 points.
Damn, the teacher knew.
Yeah.
Like, when you know the teacher is actually like a memer, you know, he's a troll, you can't prove it.
Oh man.
I'm actually surpassed the 67 thingy on my thing. Apparently, my yes windowing thingy has 73 commits.
Damn. It's time for a new project then, man. Like, you can't be out
Yeah,
with
for
over
real.
67. Yeah, nah.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I think this is probably the, well, I don't know about biggest, but probably the biggest project I've done like alone. Not in like what it actually shows, but how, you know, it works, you know, which is quite fabulous. Like I have made an entire game engine and like 3 games in less code, you know, in Go. But I mean, I guess this is the biggest project I've done. Which,
I'm just gonna change it.
yeah, basically, I suck at actually making projects.
I know.
Yeah. There's a reason I help this dude around all day. I don't have any of my own projects really. Well, I guess now, but
Then I just have to change all of the things to work with this. Oh god, what did it do? No.
I guess what is this? Bro he found out about comp time blocks and now he just shoves them everywhere. Like, what is this?
Wait, can I still do for an array? Can I use splat to initialize the whole array
Yeah,
with...
you can. Yes. Terrible voice crack there about that one.
Don't worry, you should listen. Oh yeah, you know that the thing that the template I sent, or the draft for the video. Well, it
Yeah.
wasn't really a voice crack, but still, you know, I have plenty of
amazing,
those in the video. When I did the video recording today, it was crazy.
But I think they're fabulous. Like, they just go to cool things and then there's an audio file. I can also ping you for it.
No,
I can put it on the stream also quickly.
Yeah, okay.
So other people.
Yeah. It's so funny.
It's the best. Spoiler for the next YouTube video. Wait, cool things, right there. Alright, this is. Let me just pause the Minecraft music real quick. But not to worry. All we have to do is just scale down our cubes, and where did they go?
Was going to be a voice actor, not gonna lie.
Yeah, for real. It's amazing.
Not to worry. All we have to do is scale down our cubes, and where did they go?
It's so perfect.
It is.
Yeah, this video's gonna be banger. Lucas's like YouTube channel is gonna double from
Yes.
this, I swear.
I hope so. But bro, this
But
video.
was-
I'm like happy through like 50-60% through the video, but then at that point
Maybe
I'm like,
60-70%.
oh god no, oh no, nah, stop, Harold, how could no?
67%, you know. Yeah, it's like 67% done at this point.
Oh no, wait.
But yeah, not gonna lie, you're going to the like yearly uploads. Wow.
Yeah, like every 6
Yeah.
or 7 months it's gonna upload.
I have
6 to 7 months.
how did I jump to no, I'm looking into how
6-7.
how to upload more frequently. I'm thinking of different ideas. I might go back to which idea-
Unemployed.
Yeah, I'm employed. Well, I'm a student, but
Yeah, exactly.
I'm looking into discuss with a few other YouTubers, and also in that sense, I was like, I could do what I did for the Minecraft thing, but even more narrow. Like I would pick something very small and
Yeah, I think
specific.
that would be good.
Yeah, and then just make a video about that. Then I could probably, like, if I really wanted to crank it, I could probably do a video a week. Like, if I went, like, all in, probably. And really start to optimize my way of making videos, which I don't.
Guys, he's promising a video every single day, right? Alright. Great. Actually, 2 videos every day.
Do you count the live
Start,
streams?
bro, 3 videos.
Do you count the live
Maybe
streams?
like
Like,
One
six
basically,
video in
videos
the
a day.
morning,
If-
one in the evening.
if you count the live
Yes.
streams, you could basically say that I'm doing a video every day.
We don't count those.
Do you count the
But
shorts?
you know,
No.
I would recommend doing like more videos. Maybe not one every week, maybe one every 2 to 3 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks, every 2 weeks.
Yeah,
Like,
no, I
every
think at
Friday.
least once a month would be great.
Yeah.
At least.
Mm.
It's just
Just
well,
one
Because
it's a learning journey to figure out how to do it and like different topics and what I could make a video about. Because I don't want to make tutorials, kind of like that's I don't know. I
Yo
want.
guys, in this video we're gonna be learning how to ruin Sig, alright? So first of all we begin with making the string, so we're gonna do add vector and then you just specify the string length here. And now you can just take the thing and you can index every single element and you can put it to the letter you want. Alright, so how do we print this out? Okay, so we do a for loop over this and then we just print it, right? Alright, great. This is how to print strings in Sig.
I should.
Thank you for
I
watching.
should have a how to trigger Harold or how to rage bait Harold playlist.
Yes.
yeah,
And
types
that's-
were in snake case,
yeah.
right?
It's already working, bro. It's already working. Yeah, I'm about to ban you, bro.
Can you guys ban
Yeah,
each
but
other?
yeah,
You're both
what I want to
admins.
say is, no, I think
Ah.
we can't.
Damn.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, but what I want to say is that if you do like more videos than you're doing right now, like you have more possibilities of like one getting
Money.
more views. Yeah,
Yeah.
and that.
no. Like my
Before we
best.
continue-
Because like
Is it rage bait? Bro, what is this initialization?
Bro, you have been yapping about this same initialization for ages, and you
Yeah,
still
and
don't
it's annoying
remember
me.
that you cannot change
No,
it.
I do remember, but there is a way to fix it. I swear, bro. Like you're doing something wrong.
I think the problem is the same issue that I just
Going
had
to
with
therapy.
the buffers for the GPU scene data. I think
No buffer.
I think it's something. It's like I must have misunderstood how the local stack memory works in Sig. I think it's the same problem with
Sounds
it.
about right.
Yeah, and therefore I could change this so it could work, but then I would have to remove it from the stack memory for it to work. Yes, that's the
I don't
only,
know what you're on.
that's the only way, brother. I'm telling you.
Mhm.
What I want to do now is I want to do ah. No more
Lucas, I
valid
have an
diagnostics
idea.
to move to. Bro, it literally says there's 11 errors and it cannot move to. Wait. Am I stupid?
You're an error.
I'm potentially stupid. Can it.
Lucas,
Mhm.
hear me out, hear me out. So you should make a YouTube channel. Or like you should combine your YouTube channel with all the other YouTuber guys you have in your basement, right? And then you can just like upload a video like every other day, you know, because you're like 10 people that are working on their own projects at the same time, right?
Why can I just. Why doesn't my
Right?
freaking piece of shit
That would
of
be so smart.
garbage. Sorry, I'm
But
freaking out.
guys, have you seen Packer OS? Bro, with
Yeah.
the journal and everything.
Yeah.
Bro,
I think Lucas is like I think Lucas just has him in his basement actually.
Yeah, I do.
Right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's chained to a wall, making his next video right now. I
That's
cannot.
interesting.
I know exactly what it's gonna be about. I know all the
Yeah,
details.
I can also see it. From the wall thingy there, yeah, I can
I
definitely
can
see
guess
it.
it's gonna be a Minecraft clone, not gonna lie.
What? No, that's crazy. I think it's gonna be like a Lucas clone. He's gonna make an AI that is Lucas.
It says that I have
Like
11
making
errors, but
Lucas.
I cannot jump to them. How am I supposed to find them if it's freaking bullshit? Like, come on.
Bro, this is why VS Code is so good. You can just press on the location and it just sends you there.
Well, I can't. I don't. Bro, I'm a bit of a stupid sometimes.
Yeah, so in C they give you error lines, you know, where the error occurs, because the compiler is so advanced.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? I mean, yeah, that can happen if you use another language compiler. You know, like
What is
C.
it?
Yeah.
Oh, I have it twice. That's why.
You know, however, it only happens when it actually gives you an error. Like most of the time, it just doesn't give you an error.
Wait,
Right.
it.
Yeah, I mean, like in C, like if it doesn't crash, it's not an error. You know, like it's just
exactly.
intended. Yeah. Of course.
I think C is still kind of nice.
Okay, go back to writing C then.
No, I believe in
We've
Sig.
talked about this.
But C is
Yes, exactly.
C is still nice, bro. You cannot talk shit about C, okay?
C is pretty
It's
all
pretty-
right as a intermediate language standard that no one actually writes. Yeah, exactly.
Whoa,
Yeah, it's fabulous. It's the best thing ever. It's like it's like everyone acknowledges that like we're gonna make all the headers in C and we're always gonna make bindings in our own better languages. Yeah, exactly. I mean, C is a great standard, you know.
Whoa. Nobody writes in. Hold on. Now, this.
Yeah, nobody writes in it. Like if you write in it, you're a nobody unless you're T-Chef. Then
You
you're
have two
important
errors?
person. T-Chef can write C. He's the only one who's allowed to
Okay,
write
bro, that was literally it. Look, there's the frick. Fuck. Ah.
Oh wow, now you have
Yeah,
a black
damn.
cube.
What? Is there anything wrong with the black cube? What are you trying to say, Harold?
I mean, I just prefer it to be like.
Actually,
another
it should be
color,
white, to be honest.
Cancel. Oh, wrong one. Wait, wrong one. I don't know which one I was supposed to do. Yeah, that is that one. Yeah, it's some misclicks. Yeah, bro, Lucas, you're cancelled. Cancelled.
Again, bro.
Lucas after he gets cancelled.
You know, you cannot get cancelled unless if you yourself make yourself go cancelled.
You can't really be cancelled if you like. I mean, like if you're already cancelled, you can't get cancelled again, right?
Smart.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I guess.
exactly.
Braining right now, guys. You're so smart. Sometimes that my brain explode. Wait, what the fuck?
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, now we
You know,
can.
my opinion on that is
Why?
it's just such a great response to everything.
Okay,
Like,
apparently.
do you know what to eat today?
That does.
Yeah,
What the?
exactly.
What the fuck? Okay, let's see. Where did the cube go now?
Because what
when
are you doing?
I put back the matrix. All right.
You're the Matrix.
Thank you.
The
Which
Matrix. Yeah. It's
So,
actually Patrick. Yeah, it's actually Lucas's rage bait, man.
so for some reason, all of the positions becomes everything becomes 0 when I put the matrix in. What? How?
Bro, how has bro messed up this badly? I'll get some bread and water, BRB.
Oh, wait.
Because if you
Wait, what matrix did you put back in?
this projection, wait, am I using it even? This should be the matrix that goes in. Hold on. I'm not even. Data
Yes.
projection multiplied
At
by
least
the.
you're not doing it there.
Yeah, doesn't. No, it doesn't. It doesn't look like it.
Why not?
What? Oh, what am I doing? Wait. What am
You're doing the projection. What?
where am I using this thing? Wait, hold on.
So just search for it, yeah.
Yeah, but it's. Oh, yeah, because I'm modifying it once. It's like, yeah, good job! That's why the compiler doesn't complain. Usually it would tell me like, what the fuck are you fucking donkey? You're not even using this variable, but because I'm modifying it once, it's like, oh, okay, good.
Or because you're using like left-handed or right-handed coordinate system, so you're switching the z-axis, right? Or why are you doing the
This is,
modification?
it's flipped in Vulkan, so, or I don't remember
Oh,
why.
the y-axis.
Yeah.
is flipped. Oh yeah.
But we can easily just, let's see, yeah. I still want to do, because is there a reason why I did it like that? Or is it just, am I just being like super dumb? It seems like it's just that, let's see, update scene. So, yeah. Yeah, okay, this is actually supposed to be assigned to this and then
That's what
multiplied by
scene
that.
data dot projection.
Yeah, so this is actually supposed this is supposed to be the projection. Oh fuck, I have it in two places now, great. Ah, fuck's sake. So, projection multiply, that should be equal to that. Still, it's not there though. But now it should at least get these values and multiplied by the view, which scene view. Wait. The view should just be what have I done? Wait. Clear? Yeah, that's I just cleared the whole thing apparently, but that's fine. And then we just choose which mesh to draw, which will be the first one. Well, a node, but still whatever. And then scene data will be equal to just this one should be same. And then this thing, which then will get multiplied like this, and then it will be assigned like this multiplied by the view. That should all be the same, but yet we do not see shit. Let's see. Let's launch it again. No, don't save anything. Take a snapshot and let it crash, please. Thank you. And let's see there. It's a feature that it actually crashes. Okay,
Yeah.
I mean,
Convenience for debugging.
yeah, okay, this is
They're all
interesting.
the same. Wait,
Yeah,
are they? Yeah, they are.
They are all the same. I don't know what's up with those UVs. I don't think there are actually UVs. Yeah. Anyways, but why would this happen?
Are you multiplying the projection matrix in the shader correctly?
That one is a straight copy paste. I have no idea actually, but I think this should be correct. Scene data.
Yeah, okay, yeah, well, because yeah, no, it should work because you're doing the MVP matrix altogether.
Push constant.
So like you already have like all the multiplied matrices in one.
Yeah.
Or like no.
The other thing
have
could
view
be that I have
projection
this one in the
together.
wrong order because I'm not sure with Harold how he implemented this rule for multiplication here. Because it could also be the other way around where it should be.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm back. Did you guys have like a fun time? You know, you could like talk and
Yeah,
you know,
very
just have it
fun
nice.
time.
We have had so
Great.
much fun that fuck. What am I doing? Okay,
Yeah, I
back.
can see how much fun you're having.
Yeah. Why can I not do a cut? Is it X for cut? Ah, that's why. Ah, I always forget. I should get used to more of these near-Vims commands instead of trying to,
Yeah.
you know, not do
But
it.
you know things
Yeah.
like find, right? Like, do you use them often or because
Find
these are
sometimes.
like the meta?
Because
So
there's
like F and Shift F.
Oh yeah, these ones are.
No, not these ones. Like, if you know, for example, do like Shift F and then
Shift F.
opening brace. Then you jump to like. Nah, wait. You did a Shift F?
Yeah. How do I decide if it's supposed to go
Wait,
up or
maybe.
down? And how do you go to end set? This is weird. If I type VK, why does it go to the triangle? What? How does this work?
Maybe your config remapped it. Just
No,
as
I
heavily
haven't. I
as
haven't remapped
behavior.
Shift F. I have only remapped a few keys, but not Shift F. Nothing to do with Shift. I have remapped. Yeah, that one should still be the same. Yeah. It's okay.
Guys, you wanna hear a story?
No.
Hmm?
Damn.
So there was once an experiment on a monkey, right?
Oh, was this
Actually,
monkey?
no, it was actually no. Well, I am a monkey, but no, it was actually on a person. I actually forgot a bit of it. Yeah, it was actually a person,
That's
right?
so strange.
Yeah, and anyways, they got like an electric cable into that person's brain,
Okay.
and could basically just give that person dopamine from a button, right? And that person kind of, you know, got addicted to the button, right? So I'm thinking that we should add a button to Lucas's keyboard, and whenever he presses it, it just makes so AI just fixes his error. He's just gonna be spamming that button, like he's gonna die from it.
I don't think so. I have tried using AI for a lot of my shit. Sometimes it works. Most of the time it doesn't.
No, but this is like a better AI because it's like 100 Indian guys, you know, just coding super fast.
Yeah. I don't know. Do I have 11 errors or what the fuck is these symbols? I should just remove those symbols. I have no idea what they mean. They're just there. I'm like, great. That's fantastic. That's awesome. Alright, I think, but I'm satisfied with this. At least we have gotten to a point where we can see shit. Now I just have to figure out why the matrices are ripped. And after that, the camera will come into play. Maybe. Yeah, I think the camera is the next thing. So, yeah. But textures are
Right.
not
Also,
bad.
before we go, I just have to say, I think we all live in a matrix, like a projection matrix.
Oh
you know?
yeah, I thought it was identity, not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's an identity. Yeah.
Alright.
We're all in the matrix.
I'm gonna hit the chest tomorrow morning. Bye bye, everybody.
Fire. Okay, see you guys.
Down to the last minute detail.